Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the March Birchbox unboxing. I know it's a little late. It's definitely late in March, but I didn't want to post the Birchbox unboxing super close to the BoxyCharm one. So that's why I'm doing it kind of further out than normal, I guess, or than what would be expected. But let's get to it. The theme is finally spring, as you can see. And these are the products I got in this month's box. I'm going to start with the products I didn't put on my face. I didn't want to do a full try on type of thing because there were only 2 items in there anyway that I could really try on. Well, 3. But I just decided to go ahead and put those on and then talk about them, my first impressions so far during the video. So let's get started. The first is the Rituals. There we go. Happy Buddha Sweet Orange and Cedar, not cider, wow, cedar, my bad guys. Foaming Shower Gel Sensation. So it's apparently you just pump it out, turns into a lather once you start rubbing together, and you just wash your body, which is kind of cool. I wonder what the full size looks like. I bet it's just a bigger version of this, but it's kind of an interesting concept. And this would retail for full size $15, which I don't think is that bad considering some other shower products out there. It says a sweet orange and cedar wood scent of this gel to foam. Oh, so it's a gel and then it turns to a foam. Got you. Foaming shower gel. Probably should have gotten it from that. Let's see. Body wash is a delightful in-shower treat. Massage into damp skin and enjoy the invigorating lather. So that's the first thing. The second, ooh, don't fall, is the OUAI leave-in conditioner. And I simply just have to spritz this onto my hair. This is what it looks like. I kind of just leave it on before I brush my hair out. It's a little hard to open. The first time I opened it, I ended up unscrewing the whole thing. Because for some odd reason, this cap just is really hard. Like, look at that. Like, see, every time I try to kind of pull or twist on this thing, then ends up coming off. It's not a pump. It's a spray one, but still, that's kind of annoying. So I'm going to have to get my husband to open that one. And this full size retails for $26, so it's a little pricey, but not as pricey as some other things. And then the third thing is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Eye Cream. What is that on mine? Anyway, this eye treatment contains lavender oil to minimize lines and dark circles. That's good. That's good to know. Butcher's Broom to reduce puffiness and squalene to hydrate. Before bed, pack 2 drops under eyes. And again, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see very well that it says Kiehl's and all the other stuff. And this would be $37 full size. So, yeah. Alright, the next 2 products that I want to talk about are like makeup products. The first is the Winky Luxe Glazed Lip. And this is what it looks like. And here it is like this, in coffee glaze. If you guys, here let me try to zoom you guys in if I remember which one's which. Ooh, wrong thing. Okay, let's just do it that way. It's kind of more nudish, coffee, but it's not really, I thought it would have more color to it or something, but it's not. Definitely a little tacky. I can still feel it, and I feel it in my finger even when doing that, but it's not, I don't know, I guess it's more of like the grown-up version of the lip glosses. Let me get zoom you. Ah, no! Sorry guys. Still getting used to the camcorder. Anyway, so far it's okay. I'm hoping it doesn't dry out my lips though. I have a tendency to do that with lipsticks, which is why as much as I love lip products, I don't wear a lot often because my lips just get really dry really fast. I don't know what it is about them. It happens. Let me adjust this a little more. It just happens. They get dry, they peel really quickly. I don't know what it is. I have tried almost every product and I mean, the Aquaphor helps for sure, but I don't know what else I need to do to make that whole situation improve. And then the next thing I am really excited to talk about, it is the Love of Color or LOC Liquid Shimmer Shadow in Stardust. And it is what I have on my eyes apart from my eyeliner. Once again, I'll keep doing it the wrong way. Let me, oh no, do it this way. Take my glasses off, and this is what it looks like on. It's a beautiful color. Okay, I keep doing the wrong thing, guys. I apologize. Like I said, still getting used to the camcorder. Don't exactly have long Mr. Fantastic arms there to kind of do that whole thing without you guys seeing. But I think it's a really pretty color. If these products would just, there we go. Sorry, guys. It's really pretty. It's I didn't use the, because this is what it looks like. First of all, let me show you guys what it looks like. So it's this size for the trial size, which isn't too bad. This is the applicator for it. I just dabbed it on once or twice on each eye, and with my finger I just kind of went over and blended it. It's a really pretty color. It's very light, it's very creamy feeling almost, you could say. It is a little shimmery, but it's not too shimmery, like too much. You know how sometimes they give you those colors that are just a little too much? This one is not one of those. And the full size, mind you, is going to be $10, which I don't think is bad for an eyeshadow, especially a liquid one. There are other pricier ones, but yeah, and I think you can also, if you wanted to do a little more with it, you could just do it as an eyeshadow topper, put it on top of some other colors in there, and I think it's still going to look really pretty. So I'd have to say, out of all the things that came in the box, I am super excited about this one the most. The other things are good products, but I'm going to have to try those and really give my opinion after I try them. But yeah, guys, that's all that was in my Birchbox box. Birchbox box. Anyway, I do have to say though, this will be the last Birchbox unboxing. I'm trying to save a little money at the moment, so I won't be doing Birchbox. I canceled my subscription. Nothing against Birchbox. I think they give good products. So this isn't a goodbye to Birchbox like forever. I'm just trying to recuperate a little bit in terms of financial things, and hopefully I can pick up again, or I might pick up with another like beauty subscription. The BoxyCharm is that one I'm still going to keep, so you will be seeing those videos, but in terms of Birchbox, this one's the last one. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Comment below. Let me know what you guys got in your boxes. Did you like it? Did you not like it? And I will see you guys next time. Bye!